Yeah, what's up guys? It's me, Rocky Pro. Welcome to our video today. Well, anyways, this will be a quick one. It's all about the hotspot feature with Windows 10. That's why I said, yeah, finally, I kind of find the hotspot feature with Windows 10 very, very useful. Been here like last year, it came with an update. I don't know what month was that. But I saw the settings there when I was going through the computer. I wasn't interested at all. I thought it's not going to be useful. That's why I'm making this video for you guys. Maybe you thought you're not going to need this one, but later on, you might need it as well. Last week I was with my friends and the room we're in has Wi-Fi, but the signal was very weak. The devices we're connecting to the Wi-Fi are being disconnected. We tried to look for an access point, old router that we can configure to share the internet, but we cannot find one at the time. It clicked to me that there was a feature in Windows 10 that is the hotspot. So we connected the cable, configured the laptop to share the internet. I'm going to show you. Plug in my cable to that USB adapter to Ethernet I have here. In the start menu, type in hotspot and hotspot settings will just show up. Click that one, it will jump you in the settings page. Here on the settings page, make sure to select the source of your internet. By default, that's Wi-Fi. I'll change it with the USB Ethernet port I'm using. So make sure to have that one corrected. You can turn that one on, and by default, you have a network name right away and a password. But you can edit that one. So I'll put this one as Toreg Pro. And password would be a friendly password and a network band, any available. Save. That's just about it. Now we can close this one or jump into this corner here, notification section. You can see that Wi-Fi or the Ethernet connection and the mobile hotspot is here. You can quickly turn it on and turn it off. Yeah, that's just about it. What we need to do is get my phone and try it. I'll go ahead and change my Wi-Fi connection. So you can see Torogi Pro. I'll put in my password, Torogi Pro. Connect. Whoa, we're connected. And let's try and do a little bit of Googling. There you go. Let's also show you how it appears on the laptop. Here on the lower right corner, you can see the status, how many connected. So we can connect up to 8. So in this, there you go, the mobile hotspot status, we have 1 connection. That's my phone. Okay. So that's just about it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my videos. And see you again next time. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.